start again.
Right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. We just got done with the cold air intake on the F-22A1 here. So we're going to see what the difference is. We took a little video of what it was, straight stop. So we're going to see how a little difference, if it makes any difference at all. You can tell it's loud. After we do this little test, we'll put it's a lot quieter, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's gonna get hot, boy. Can you take the shield back on it?
No, I don't think so, man. I wouldn't want to put this gaudy ass thing on it anyway. It's just,
It wouldn't do it.
It wouldn't do it anyway.
I love you, Daddy.
So, what turns do you use for this? Ugga Dugs?
Yeah. Well, too many Ugga Dugs turn a righty-tighty into a righty-loosey.
I didn't put enough like a Doug's on the other one.
It'll make a righty-tighty turn into a righty-loosey.
Righty loose. I like that. See, so far we know of Ugga Dugs, and there was another term.
It's kind of like a smidgen, you know, as a unit of measurement.
It is a unit of measurement. He even explained it.
We had a couple broken head studs with it. Gas it!
Hold on. It's them, they're smoking. You might want to let it run for a minute.
It's ease.
Let them heat up.
Our neighbor's gonna love it. They're gonna rattle windows in the morning when I fucking leave from work. Those will end up turning blue and wrap them in something. It'll probably destroy the power steering pump being that hot. Might hurt the alternator. I don't know. I still got that heat shield between the alternator a little bit. We might watch it turn blue. You probably can see it turn red. Did you hear it sucking that arrow, dude?
You get a video of that.
I smell a belt. Gasket's heating up. Yeah, listen. Is it quieting down?
Yeah. A lot quieter when you...
Here, hold on.
They're already starting to turn gold. This sounds good, man.
Come on, baby. Give me that seal. It can't take too many more roads. Look at those.
Yeah.
Woo! It sounds really good compared to what it did.
You gotta go in at an angle, remember? I gotta bend that bracket back out too.
We're in. Alright, we're in. You gotta get the body.
Hold on, there's another piece that goes in.
No, it's gotta go through it.
Oh, look. This is
Oh, I missed it. Look. I missed it. Here. I missed it, Josh. Hold on.
You're missing a whole other piece.
I know, but I missed. I know. That's not what the problem is. Look, here's what I'm trying to show you. I'm bottoming out down there right now.
All right.
It's got to come all the way back out.
Shut it just a hair while he gets it situated.
Guess who's back? I got keys coming from overseas. We want to look at our other body line over. We've been looking for you. That's where the coolant's coming from. I knew it. I got a new one in the... I mean, it sounds really good. It's quiet. We can always go turbo. We got that KA24D. Bet most bang for the buck. You'd upgrade to an H22, H23 out of a Prelude. Which Cat Rider Road's got one.
We could get a Prelude pretty easy.
If I was gonna do a prelude, I want to do a prelude.
Yeah, I don't want to do.
We're doing a chord way. These motors are actually pretty strong, man. Longevity wise, no, not horsepower wise. We might be pushing 120 horsepower right now. Yeah. We might be a little quiet on that.
Hold on, I gotta.
No, I don't know, man. Yeah,
It's good, bro. For real.
That motor's either had to be rebuilt or it's out of another car. I just don't believe it's got.
Original motor.
I don't know. I don't believe it's got a $250,000 on it or whatever it's got. 150.
250 is what it says.
250. 242. 242,000. We're reading on no dumb things. About 838.
Oh my Honda!
You know it. That's a big job. No, it's in I do, but it's in Let's Start.